So far we have seen how to install Java and Eclipse. Now it's time to create our first Maven project. Before that, let's understand how this console looks. So there are various options over here, and this is Package Explorer. Nothing but once we have created our projects, we can see the list of the projects over here. Even we can explore the content of the each package or each project. And here, whenever we open any file, that file get opens over here. And here, is there any bugs in the code, or else the output of the code whenever we execute that program, we can see that. Now, if you see the package explorer, there are few options where we can create different kind of projects. But in our case, we need to create a Maven project, right? For that, we should go with the file, new, and here we need to choose the project, but there are various options. We couldn't able to find the Maven option. So for that, we can go to others. Here we can search for Maven, that is Maven. Sorry. So Maven project. If I select Maven project and click next, okay, in this wizard, we can able to choose the workspace location. If you do remember, we have chosen a workspace as under users Galaxy, then projects, right? So that is the default workspace location. If you wish to change that one, we can choose by choosing the browser and we can change. But at this moment, let it be in the same location. So I'm just canceling it. And the next one is here, create a simple project. In case if you are good at developing a Java application, maybe you can choose this option. Whenever you choose this option, it just create a directory structure and you need to write your own programs. But I'm not a developer and I don't have that much skill, so I'm skipping this level, which means that I'm going to use the archetype selection. So if you choose this option, it is going to skip the archetype selection. If you don't select, it is going to display the archetypes. Now click on next. Here we can see list of the archetypes, whatever is available. I don't know, it is propagating. Yeah, here you can see list of the archetypes. But what is archetype? If you search in the Google, same thing. So I just searched for what is archetype in Maven. And if you click archetype, in short, archetype is a Maven project template toolkit, which means that it is like a template which comes with the default directory structure as well as some default application. With that application, we can do our changes. It is like a some example projects kind of thing. So in our case, anyway, we need that one. That is the reason we are going with the archetype. If you need more information, please go through with this document. And here there is a way or there is a command how we can create archetype through the command line. I'm just going to pause this one until we are working with Maven on Linux systems. There we are going to execute it. But go back and here we are going to select Maven, okay, Maven archetype and quick start. Here I am selecting the Maven archetype quick start artifact ID and group ID is arg.apache.maven archetypes and version is 1.4. At the time of recording this video, the version of the archetype is 1.4. Click next. In this wizard, we need to provide Maven coordinates. So here we should provide group ID, artifact ID and version. Before providing this information, we need to see how others are using. That we are going to discuss in our next lecture. Thanks for watching and see you there.